Right now, somewhere in your market, a buyer just asked ChatGPT, "Who's the best real estate agent near me?" And ChatGPT answered with names. The question is, was yours one of them? Because here's the number that should scare you. Only 8.4% of agents ever appear in AI answers. The other, 91.6%, are invisible. This is not a future problem. 67% of homebuyers now use AI as their primary research tool before ever contacting an agent. That number was 17% just a year and a half ago. In this video, why this shift happened so fast, why AI leads are worth 5 times more than portal leads, and the exact steps to make AI find you, trust you, and recommend you. Let's go. Here's what changed. The old buyer typed keywords into Google or scrolled Zillow. Search, scan, click, compare headshots, call 3 agents. The 2026 buyer doesn't do that. They have a conversation. They ask an AI about neighborhoods, school districts, mortgage rates, and at the end of that conversation, "So, which agent should I talk to?" By the time they search your name, the AI already recommended you, or it didn't. And these AI-referred buyers behave completely differently. They arrive pre-educated. They've spent 30 minutes asking questions before they ever text you. The data shows AI-sourced leads close at 9.6% within 90 days. Zillow Premier Agent leads, 2.4%. Average commission income per AI lead, around $1,180. Per Zillow lead, $240. That's not a small edge, that's 5 times the value per lead. So the new question isn't, can people find my website? It's, can AI understand, trust, and recommend me? And the good news, because 91% of your competition hasn't figured this out yet, is that the bar is still incredibly low. Early movers are winning entire markets. Here's how to become one, real quick. I test AI strategies for real estate agents every single week. No hype, no affiliate deals. If that's useful, subscribe. Now, the playbook. Step 1. Make yourself legible to a machine. AI builds its answer from public sources, and if your information is inconsistent, it either skips you or worse, gets you wrong. Same name, same brokerage, same service area, same phone number everywhere. Your website, your Google business profile, your social bios, your directory listings. Boring? Yes. But AI cross-references sources, and inconsistency reads as unreliability. Priority number 1. Inside this step, your Google business profile. It's becoming the single most important asset for local AI visibility. AI systems lean heavily on it for local recommendations. Claim it, complete every field, pick the right categories, keep reviews coming in, and answer the questions people leave there. If you do only one thing from this video, do this. Step 2. Publish answers, not ads. AI recommends sources that answer questions clearly. So write and record content around the real questions buyers and sellers ask. What's it like living in your neighborhood? How do I choose a listing agent? What are closing costs in your state? Question and answer format. Specific local data. Plain language. That's the exact shape of content AI loves to cite. And here's the underrated channel. Reddit. It's now one of the most cited websites in AI search. Agents who spend 60 to 90 days genuinely answering questions in their local subreddits, not spamming, actually helping, are starting to show up inside AI answers because the AI trusts those communities. One thread you wrote 8 months ago can become the reason ChatGPT says your name. It's a long game, and almost nobody in your market is playing it. Step 3. Audit yourself with the same tools buyers use. Open ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Claude and ask, who are the best real estate agents in my city? What do people say about my name? See what comes back. If you're missing Now you know your baseline. If it says something wrong, now you know what to fix. Repeat this monthly. It's free, takes 5 minutes, and it's the exact mirror your future clients are looking into. Then close the loop. Use AI to produce the content that feeds your visibility. Neighborhood guides, FAQ pages, review responses, local market explainers. The machine helps you write the exact material the machine will later cite. That's the flywheel. AI creates your content. Your content earns AI's trust. AI sends you clients. If you want the shortcut for that last step, I put together 10 copy-paste prompts built for exactly this kind of work. Listings, follow-ups, local content, objection handling. It's the generative layer that feeds everything you saw today. Link in the description. The window here is real. Right now, being visible to AI is an advantage. In 2 years, it'll be table stakes. And the agents who moved first will own the citations everyone else is fighting for. Subscribe to stay on the winning side of this shift. See you in the next one.